Namaste. A lot of us have anger issues. Anger is a basic human emotion. Right from a small little child to somebody who's 80 years old, all of us go through a lot of emotional turbulences and get angry. Today in this video, I will talk to you about 3 tips to control anger. 1. Whenever you're really angry about something or about somebody, question yourself whether the reason for which you're angry for is worth being angry. Many times, little children get angry and adamant, which parents can deal with. But if you're an adult with anger issues, think about the reason which is causing that anger. Is it because somebody in your job space said something bad about you? Is it because your spouse disagreed with you? Whatever the reason is, just think about the reason for a minute and then weigh the options. Option 1 would be getting angry, and option 2 obviously is not to get angry. And look at this particular reason for which you're angry 20 or 30 years down the line, and look at would you even remember this particular situation or this particular reason because of which you're angry. If you think it's not really important 20 or 30 years down the line and it won't make any sense for you to be angry about it at this point, then drop that issue. Always whenever you get angry, this simple strategy helps you weigh your reasons to be angry and whether it's worth being angry at. The second most important tip for people who can't really do step 1, which I just mentioned, is to get away from the situation. So let's say you're having an argument with your parent or with your spouse, or you want to yell at your children, whatever reason you're angry at, just step away from that situation, go to the kitchen, drink a sip of water, and do 10 deep breaths. This kind of brings you out of that heated moment and gives your brain an opportunity to calm down instantly. Tip number 3. Surround yourself with family and friends who help you build a positive environment. Read good books which will motivate you to be less angry and help you with your anger control problems. All of us as humans have one goal, that we have to evolve. Every day, try and see if you can be a better person compared to the previous day. This also applies for your anger issues. Let's say today you were angry at somebody, yelled at some person, but think about it. If the next time you are faced with a similar situation, would you be angry and would you yell at the person again? Then it means you're not evolving. All of us do mistakes, but what we learn from our mistakes is what is more important. So the third most important tip is to surround yourself with positive people, positive vibes, so that your anger issues can be overcome by the positivity around you, by the process of evolution you're going through, and not just based on going away from the situation or avoiding a particular situation, which are temporary strategies. So the idea is to use temporary strategies and to work on positivity to move towards a positive life and a positive future. I hope these 3 simple tips helped. Thank you for your attention. Dhanyavada.